Alright guys, help me pack my things guys. I only have like 3 hours before kumuhawa diri sa akong apartment. I've never done this before nga late mag-impake pero tara explain ako niya nga no. Yeah. Guys, finally nana ko sa Korea unta kaingan. Nana ko sa California and Yosemite papunta na ko. And this is my first time na mag-drive og car na solo outside Texas. So, wish me luck. Bye. So, dito ko ngayon sa Mariposa Grove, the land of giant sequoias. Sequoias, they are like the largest kind of trees, or yeah, largest trees in the world, but they are not considered the tallest though. Grizzly giant. I think this is the largest sequoia here. Look how massive it is. So that's the grizzly giant. Ayun, nasa likod lang. Ambot lang ko matagan gapon og justice sa camera, but kay kung tanaw na ako sa preview, dili kay siya nga naka appreciate anak kadako, magdili kay siya underwhelming kay siya tanaw. But wag na ka dire dako di kay siya guys, promise. And that's like the biggest tree I've seen so far in my life, and I think that's, I don't know if that's the biggest tree right now, but yun. We're going karon ato tawag tunnel view, ay not tunnel view, sa ganit ni California Tree Tunnel, ambot kalimot ko. Ay nako, basta pakit lang jud ko guys. Ano mo to nila gibangagan. So gibangagan nila to before, mga old times na pod. Old times kay para daw makaagi ang mga horse carriages. Carriages. Ang sige nang tao. Wala ko balon sa Bisaya ano. Basta kana kung kanang murag kariton sa kabayo para makasakay ang tao o para makasakay ang mga gamit. So to para para makagita sila dito. Ang weirdo na nako is ano kailangan nila to bangagan nga naman space sa kilid, di ba? The humble beginnings. Look how gamay siya nga seed, guys. From this to this. And thanks to squirrel for what? For scattering the seeds. So because of the squirrels, nagkalat ang mga sequoias. So sasabihin natin ay salamat squirrels. Alright guys, so trivia. There are so many reasons nga no nang matay ning mga sequoia trees. One of the reasons is illegal logging before katong wala pa ni na national park or katong mga old days inaputol ni nila para ibenta kasi syempre dako kayo ang sequoia, di ba? So dako ka sila og makuha o daghan sila magamitan. Second, sa akong nabasa is itong nasunog. There was a wildfire, I think here happened 3 years ago. Guys, I'm not really sure. Pero basta naisunog na nahitabo dire before. Buti na lang dili kayo dako ang damage. I mean, dako ang damage but daghan gyapon na save. Third is ilang roots. Di ba dako kayo ang sequoia tree? Pero ilang roots is dili daw kayo muadto sa ilalom. So wala kayo ika-hold. Though paano lang sila palapad. Like paadto sa gilid, pa wide pero dili pa ilalom. Does that make sense, guys? Ano ba mga reasons? Illegal logging, climate change. Siyempre, climate change. Kagagawa natin yan. Okay guys, sa Yosemite na taron. Laaga na to. Tuyo na to. Unta madayon ang unta na bike kay para di ta magbaktas, magbike na lang ta. Alright, let's go. Guys, hawa. Nanawa sa ako gidala ni Siri o sa Google Map para magbike. Oh. Diba? Gwapo kayo. Visit. Okay guys, nagka-dry na guys. Bug na kayo, I can't feel my hands anymore. Pero yun, unang half dome. Kita ba baka? Yun o! That's the half dome.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easy, baby. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is can tight is 'cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the sake of our sides. Because I want you to like that. The only reason I can do tonight is because I really like you. And I can no longer hide it. Want to remember your mind then. The nicest the clothes of your digest. Why just tell me that you feel like I do. Just because it's so much more. Tell me I'm that baby. Tell me you like me.
So, this is it guys. Pa Lake Tahoe na ta from Yosemite. So, kailangan to mag-drive o 5 hours, like 4 to 5 hours para maabot na dito. So, good luck to me. This is my first time na mag-drive o nga nakadugay o nga nakalayo. Outside pa dito sa Texas nga, di ko sanay. Guys, ako ipakita guys. This is my fourth stop. This is my fourth stop. Aptan dyan ko gabi, sige kunong-unong ba? Gutom na gutom. Kasawlong ba? Spicy noodle. So, ito tayo ngayon, basang sisiw. Sa kilid-kilid na lang ta guys, kay ano man, kay close. Guys, nag-drive ko 6 hours from Yosemite to dire, tapos mag-ulan lang. The heck? Yaw. Lagot mang good naman. Kapoy, ayaw mag-drive ng 6 hours. Mga pin na lang ta guys. Kapatao. Okay, so wala na. Game over na guys. Kapoy na ako drive. puros ulan. So, oh wow. Guys, I'm gonna show you something. It's fucking snowing. Oh my god. Halata kayo ignorante, baka ako lang nasa gawas. Look, nag-snow guys. Ano siya, kanang unexpected siya nga snow. Kasi wala siya sa forecast. But I am so happy. Alright guys, I am so happy right now. I'm so happy to experience snow once again. It always feels so magical. It might seem ordinary to other people, but for me it's always special. I booked this trip without knowing that it would snow here. I'm not really prepared. Look, I'm just wearing windbreaker right now. So yeah, I booked this trip without knowing na mag-snow, because based on the forecast, it will only rain for today and then sunny afterwards. So yeah, I did not expect this snow to come. And then earlier kind of a bit disappointed because it rained all day, and this is like my only full day here in Lake Tahoe. And yeah, my itinerary was ruined, so I was so pissed off. And then God reminded me that He has better plans and He has surprised me. Just trust Him. So yeah, I guess this is way better than the plans I made. So again, thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. I really like it. Guys, bye. Paulit na ako sa airport na ako karon. And yeah, I tried na makakuha kagwa po mga video sa Lake Tahoe, pero hindi masyadong cooperative ang weather. Pero ayun, I think that's it. I'll just gonna end the video here, and then tawag nito, wait, pakita na ko last sa Lake Tahoe. So yeah, diri na to humana ng video kay boring na. And it's a flex guys. It's a flex ka na ako diri. Naghanda ni mo history ay, pero yun. Bye guys. See you sa akong birthday. Amot as ako. Medyo chill lang ta sa akong birthday guys. So basta see ya. Bye. 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 Bye.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. And I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I